Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best splash-free dog water bowl is probably one of the most innovative products for pet owners. Tired of constant water spills and messy floors? This video dives deep into the world of splash-free dog water bowls, exploring their design, benefits, and how they can revolutionize your pet's hydration experience. We'll cover everything from the science behind the splash-proof technology to the best bowls on the market. Number 5. URPOWER 2.5L No Spill Dog Water Bowl. This water bowl boasts an 85-ounce capacity, perfect for your pet's daily needs. It eliminates the hassle of constantly refilling, providing ample water throughout the day. With its splash-free rim, floating disc, and non-slip base, it prevents spills and keeps your floors dry. This design ensures a tidy environment, even with enthusiastic drinkers. The removable floating disc and filter element work together to keep the water clean. They effectively block dust, dirt, and pet hair, ensuring your pet always has access to fresh water. The floating disc slows down your pet's drinking speed, preventing choking and splashing. This feature helps keep their fur dry and promotes healthier drinking habits. The bowl is designed for easy cleaning, with detachable parts. The splash-free edge, floating disc, and filter element can be easily disassembled and cleaned, maintaining hygiene. What we like? This bowl boasts a generous 2.5L capacity, perfect for busy pet parents. It's designed with an anti-spill feature, ensuring your floors stay dry. Furthermore, it keeps the water clean, preventing debris from contaminating the water. If you have multiple pets or a dog that drinks a lot, this is the ideal choice. What people say? The rubber around the bottom makes it non-skid. The way my Chihuahua and my cat, both drink from it. No mess. Absolutely the best dog water dish ever. We have 3 labs and they were always spilling the water bowl. Number 4. Kurgo Splash-Free Wonder Water Bowl, 24 ounces. Keeping your dog hydrated on the road can be a challenge. This travel bowl makes it easy to provide water or food for your pup while you're traveling. It's a convenient solution for any adventure. Tired of spills in your car? The tapered lip on this bowl helps reduce splashing. Its unique wedge design keeps it stable on the car seat, preventing messes. Your dog's safety is a priority. This bowl is made from food-grade silicone and is BPA and PVC free. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. This lightweight bowl holds 24 ounces of water or food. It's approximately 7.3 inches long and 2.75 inches wide, making it a great size for your pet. This bowl is designed for convenience. It's the perfect accessory for any car ride with your dog. Give it a try and see how easy it is to keep your pet happy and hydrated. What we like? This travel bowl is designed for on-the-go hydration. Its tapered lip minimizes splashing, keeping your car clean. Made with safe, food-grade materials, it's also easy to clean. If you are a frequent traveler with your dog, this portable bowl is a must-have. What people say? The no-spill design is genius, especially when we're on the go or parked near the shore. It holds just the right amount, 24 ounces, for a day out, and the coastal blue color is super cute and beachy. It's lightweight, durable, and easy to clean, everything you want in a travel bowl. Highly recommend for any pet parent who loves adventuring with their dog. Number 3. Salodal Elevated Dog Bowls for Large Dogs. This elevated bowl is designed specifically for large breeds like Great Danes and Labradors. The 15.4-inch height provides comfort for your dog while they eat and drink. The automatic floater slows down drinking, preventing wet hair and choking. The wide border keeps water in the bowl, stopping paws from making a mess. It's perfect for messy drinkers. The stand adjusts to 2 heights, 8.3 and 15.4 inches, growing with your dog. This raised design makes it easier for them to eat and drink, reducing joint strain. The 4.4L stainless steel bowl is perfect for medium to large dogs and multiple pet homes. It reduces the need for frequent refills, saving you time. The bowl is also rust-resistant and dishwasher safe. The non-slip feet keep the bowl stable and protect your floors. The base also has a hollow design for convenient storage. What we like? This elevated bowl is designed with large breeds in mind, offering comfort and ease of access. It features a slow water feeder to prevent gulping and messy spills. With its large capacity, it reduces the need for frequent refills. If you have a large dog or a dog with joint issues, this elevated bowl will be a game changer. What people say. This is both simple and magical at the same time. It holds a lot of water. Our dog drinks like a horse, so we still have to fill it a lot, but it's better than a regular bowl. This is allowing my Great Dane to not be as messy as before. It slows down her drinking and keeps it tidy. Easy to clean, easy to use. I have had it for the past year and it still looks brand new. Fits right into her high size holder. What a clever design. A game changer if your dog is drooling, as the edge helps contain the water and wipe their jaws upon finishing drinking. Highly recommend. You won't be disappointed. Forgot to mention the high-capacity water container, which only requires filling once a day, and a design which does not allow for food to fall into the water and keeps it clean. Number 2. UPSKY 70 ounces No Spill Dog Bowl. This dog water bowl has a large 70 ounces 2L capacity, perfect for dogs and multiple pets. You don't need to refill it often, ensuring your pets always have enough water. The transparent design lets you easily check the water quality and level. It helps you know when to change the water and monitor how much your pet drinks. The adjustable floating disc slows down drinking to prevent wet mouths and choking. It also keeps dust and hair out of the water, providing clean water for your pet. The wide mouth, floating disc, and silicone plugs prevent spills and keep floors clean. The anti-slip bottom protects your floor from scratches. The floating disc is detachable for easy cleaning. We recommend cleaning it at least twice a week. Be sure not to remove the silicone fixing pads after inserting them. What we like. This bowl offers a generous 2L capacity, perfect for multiple pets. Its diaphanous design allows you to monitor water levels and quality. The slow water feeder helps prevent spills and choking. If you are looking for a bowl that combines convenience with smart design, this one is for you. What people say. Now the dogs need to drink in a little different way, which keeps their face drier. When they walk away, they are not dripping water from their beard all over the floor. Love it, and they had not problem figuring it out. The large 2L capacity meant we didn't have to refill it constantly, and the slow water feeder design with the floating disc really helped control splashing and kept our floors dry. This bowl solves both issues brilliantly. The small puddle in the middle reduces splashing and minimizes water going up the puppy's nose. Number 1. Leash Boss Splashless Travel Dog Water Bowl. This portable bowl is perfect for car rides and road trips. Fill it up before you go, and you won't need to stop for water breaks. It's designed to provide water for your pet while you're on the move. The high sides and tapered lip keep water from sloshing out. You can even add ice cubes to keep the water cool and reduce splashing further. Keep in mind, it won't prevent slobbering, and it's not ideal for dogs that like to dig at their water. It holds more water than other bowls, with a 40 ounces capacity and a recommended fill line. It measures 9 inches by 8 inches and 3 inch tall, with a 4 inch by 4.5 inch opening. It's great for most dogs, but not recommended for giant, bearded, or flat-faced breeds. Unlike other bowls, this one holds its shape and won't bend or collapse when full. It's lightweight but sturdy and won't bend when you pick it up. The skid-proof base keeps it in place, making it great for various vehicles. The food-grade silicone bowl is dishwasher safe and free of harmful chemicals. Cleaning is a breeze, so you can spend more time enjoying your trip with your pet. What we like. This bowl is perfect for car rides and road trips, with a no-spill design to keep your car clean. It holds a large 40-ounce capacity, ensuring your dog has enough water. It is also easy to clean and dishwasher safe. If you like to travel with your dog, this bowl will make your trips much more enjoyable. What people say. It really works, no more water spilled all over the floor. The design is great and it is easy to clean. My dog figured it out right away. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.